So this happened to you like it happened to me, no problem. If you have a reserve wheel, you can swap that very easy. First of all, you need to find your jack. It's located underneath your driver's seat with berlingos. Underneath your seat there, you will find your jack. Second thing, what you do, there is a jacking point there. You put your jack at the right position, just like so, like that, and you jack it up a little bit. Before this wheel takes off the ground, you need to loosen your bolts, just 4 bolts there, and your reserve is right behind there. I already took it out, easy peasy. You just need to unscrew this bolt here and your wheel will come off. Now let's put this wheel back. So now let's lower the car and we can tighten this as hard as we can.